Good morning, third standard. This is Mrs. Sheila Bosco here for your next lesson, A House Like This, lesson number 18. Happy day? Okay, now we'll move on to this lesson. I want to just tell me one word, a house and home. What is the difference between a house and a home? A house is a building. Home is a building with a lovable people united and staying, sharing their love and affection. This is called home. Just decide whether you want to be in a home or in a house. Now, today I am going to teach about a house. Okay? Now, the objectives of this lesson is, number one, how the house is made up of, with what are the materials they use. Then second one, what is the climatic condition, how it shapes the house. And the material changes according to the climatic conditions. The third one, how they are planning out the house according to the space and the place. The next is how the city and the village differ in their arrangement of houses. All this we are going to learn in different places of India, how it is going on. Now, the first place we are taking is Jammu and Kashmir. It is already India map. It is on the top where the city Srinagar is there. It is the capital of Jammu and Kashmir. Now, Nazim is a boy who is living in there and studying in a school. There, they wanted to have a camp. Camp means just have an experience about life in a different place and doing their own work. That camps will give them all these experiences. It can be a NCC camp, or it can be a guide camp, or it can be a Red Cross camp, or it can be experience, like to learn the experience of trekking and all that. They will have a camp. Usually the camp will not be in one school. The camp will be conducted all over India or district wise, like that different schools will participate. This year Nazim school has taken over the conducting this camp. So Nazim and his friends started decorating the school with color papers, with flowers, with rangolis and lot of streamers, like color streamers and all that. They were ready with their tent materials because they are not going to stay in the school and have a camp. Other school children also will come. They divide them into group. They will go and stay in a tent. Each group will have a tent. They have to make their own tent. The material they have to bring and make their own tent, and they should enjoy cooking and all that. They have to take care, right? Then bonfire, that is to away from the wild animals and to enjoy also, because the night they will have bonfire, they will be singing and dancing. It is actually a very enjoyable day for them. Maybe 2-3 days they will stay together in a camp. Really, it will be a beautiful experience because we share love, we share friendships, we share our work, and we learn lot of work. How to do ourselves, not depending on parents. Now here, the climatic conditions of Srinagar is very, very cool, as well as they will have lot of snow around. So usually the houses are covered with snow. So they will have most of the time cold climate. Nice only, but all the time cold and ice. Okay, they are managing it. Okay, they are all coming to Srinagar. Then the groups are divided. Tents are made for each group. All that pictures are given. Now children are grouped. Okay, self-introduction, because they are from different schools. Self-introduction. Nasim has taken over for his school. All the work is finished. After that, he also is divided into a group. A child in one group, okay, he is introducing himself. Now see, whenever I am starting in the class, I said I am Sheila Bosco. It is because I am introducing myself, that is I am your science teacher. Here one boy, Malan, is in a village of Assam. Assam also is a very cold place. It is because of heavy rains. Heavy rains. So, suppose the house is down on the floor. If you are starting, it's like in our houses, then the water may come inside the house. That is why what they will do, they will raise a platform, like with the help of is in a village, right? No pillars, no pillars. They use a bamboo, long sticks. They raise the house to a certain level, the water cannot reach. Then the house is made with a lightweight bamboo sticks as well as straws. That's what they call it as a bamboo pillars or slits. We call them as slits also. See, it is raised. Now, and the same thing they used in skyscrapers. See, most of the houses nowadays, they are raising from the floor level to a certain extent with the pillars. You must have seen, not in Salem. If you go to Chennai, where water comes in that area, means they will raise it down, they will leave it for the parking, then the house starts. This Malan's village is you can see the house, it's made up of bamboo, and the house is very beautiful to look at, very natural, full of greenery. Malan likes this house. Why these houses are made up of bamboo? It is because bamboo is lightweight as well as it's very strong. That is why they are using. Moreover, they get more. Whatever we get more, we use it. Yes or no? Why they are using only bamboo sticks are used, or straws are there? Suppose because of the heavy rain, the house may break. If it is cement and stones are used, it will damage the life as well as it is a heavy damage. So, this means immediately they can make another one. Nothing will happen for the human life. Now we are traveling. Now we are traveling to Manali. See, here her name is Chamli. Chamli stays in Manali. It is a hilly area. It's a hilly area. Suppose Ooty, Kodaikanal, all these places, no? What they will have, they have the roof a little like, sloping roof, because in the hills they will have snowfall as well as rainfall. It has to go down immediately, otherwise it will affect our house. See, that's what Chamli is telling us. They have to sit in the sun for a long time because of the cold. They are getting suntan. These houses are made up of stone and wood, like our houses. But they have a sloping roof. They will not have a terrace like this, because if there is a terrace or floor, first floor, the water will be collected or snow will be collected. That spoils the house. Chamli's house is made up of stone, and this one for the Manali's climate, rain, but it is not a heavy rain that comes inside the house like Assam. So, they have a sloping roof. The house is made up of stone and wood. Okay. Now, we will go on to Mitali and Anuj's home. We are visiting Mitali and Anu's home in a very, very, very big city, capital city, Delhi. It is a crowded place. They have to manage the space. So, you will have a skyscraper or multi-storage buildings here. 15 floors, 20 floors, multi-storage. In that they are staying, they use the lift because ground floor for parking, first floor, second floor, like that, maybe 10 floors or 12 floors or 15 floors. It will be like a mostly big buildings with a small space. They are going, that is why I said skyscrapers. They are trying to scratch the sky. That much lengthy building they will have because overpopulation in Delhi, less space to live. That is why they are constructing the house like that. They don't have they have extreme climates only for few days. That will not affect the construction of the house. Okay, Delhi is it's a capital of India. That is why people from different places, they live there, they work there. Most of the offices are there because of the capital. Almost all the leaders live there, and the ministers and the presidents, everybody live there. Then president office will have 1,000 people to work. This Prime Minister's office will have 5,000 people to work. Like that, people are working. There are so many factories are there. So many big offices are there. So people will crowded there. That is why they have multi-story building or skyscraper. And now suddenly we are going to another place. Already we have learnt in the last lesson this place, it's in Rajasthan. I have already told you Rajasthan is near a desert, Sagara desert. So people here, a boy here, Kanishk Ram. Kanishk Ram is, we'll call him Ram because it's a long name. Ram is staying in a Rajasthan village. Here, there, it is a deserted place. It will be very, very hot. Okay, they have to make them cool. That is why what they did, they made the house with the help of mud. See, mud pot, See, instead of fridge, mummy pour water in summer in the mud pot. Why? It makes it cool. The same way, the mud houses keep us cool. That is why in the villages, they use mud for making a house. On the top, they will use straws, that also airy as well as cool. Now, according to the climate condition, the material also differs. Suppose if you are taking Delhi, multi-story, they have to use iron bars, all strong materials they have to use. Cement, stone, bricks. All this they use to raise the building up to 20 floors or 25 floors. Okay, they are using a strong materials to keep. Here they don't want so strong because they use the mud house. That only keeps them cool and comfortable for them. A house should be comfortable. It must make us happy and make feel like we are at home. No, something like something very, very, very nice feeling that they should have, whether it's a big house or a small house. According to the climate, if you construct, it will be very pleasant to stay there. Now, I am going on to the next one is houseboat. Houseboat. Boat, it's in the water. Houseboat, a house in the water. Wow. In Kashmir, you will have Dal Lake. Okay. Dal Lake, there will be number of houses. Kerala also, Kumaragam. You will have plenty of houses. See, I had an experience of traveling for 3 days in a house, in a boat house. Really, really lifetime enjoyment. Really, they cook fresh fish, they catch fish from the water and they fry and give us. Really enjoyable moment. When you become big, keep in your mind, I should visit Jammu and Kashmir or Kerala, stay in a boat house and enjoy nature. Enjoy nature. Enjoy the feeling because the water will be all the time shaking, the boat will be all the time shaking. night it will be like, that you are sleeping in a swing. Very nice feeling. Actually the Nazim, all the friends, because they wanted to show their town, that's why they have taken them to the Dal Lake, where they could see the boat house. They would have even traveled in a boat house and enjoyed some snacks. Here special of Srinagar is there is something very special. I show it in video format. I'll make it and show you, okay? And everybody at home you can make it. That I'll in between you will get a video. It's a drink. Then summer houses, I will tell you, igloo. What is igloo? Arctic region is full of ice. Where you will stay? Full of ice. Bars and bars. What they will do, in that they will make a house. They will have a proper dressing, like fully covered with animal fur. Of animal fur, they will have a sledge, that is a vehicle. They use it with deer or dogs. They use it to pull around. So the igloo is a house made up of ice, where there is a extreme ice climate. Then already I told you about boat house and skyscrapers or multi-storage building. Tent, I told you. Tent is a temporary house. Temporary house. So if even for a picnic we may take tents. Yes or no? It's a temporary house. Then I want to tell you about house on wheels. That is caravan. We call it as caravan. The house will be there. Most of the big shots, the film people, they use it. They'll have a bedroom, they'll have a small kitchen and a hall. Now this is called caravan, house on wheels. With all this, I just finished the main part of the lesson. If you have any doubt, you can come back to me with the same number. You can call me. Now I will join the video of making a special drink of Kashmir, that is Srinagar, what they enjoyed. Okay? Kava, the name of the drink is called kava. It is like a green tea. I'll make it and I'll show you at the end of this lesson. Okay? Everybody make it at home and enjoy that tea.
Hello children, I told you Kashmiri's special drink, kava. Actually Nazim distributed kava to everybody. It is energy giving drink because it's a very cold place. People used to sip hot drinks. Here we are going to make how they make that kava drink. Here the ingredients what I am using, as I am putting it inside, I will just tell you. A bit of cinnamon, that is, can you see a bit of cinnamon? In Tamil, if you want, you have to call me for asking in Tamil. Then 2-3 cardamom, split it and put it. See, then only you will get nice flavor. Cardamom, you know, no, elachi. Now itself I am getting the aroma of the tea. It is actually a very healthy, very tasty drink of a Kashmiri favorite drink. Okay. If I come to your house, you have to give me this. Then saffron. I don't have much piece because it's a very costly affair. I've got only one piece. I'm just dropping it in your tea. Then dry rose petals. I'm adding dry rose petals in the tea. Let it boil for 2-3 minutes. So just leave it for 2-3 minutes. The color will change. Now slowly you could see the color is changing. Can you see the color is changed? Actually the water color is changing into a little bit brownish light tea color. Yes. Then you have to add the sugar. as much you like it. Now I'm searching for a spoon. Wait. I got it. Now add how much sugar you taste, you like it. Let the sugar dissolve in it. Now all the spices diffuses inside and it will spread the aroma as well as the taste into the tea. Now I added sugar to it. Suppose you want more, you can add it afterwards. Now I'm just boiling it. Let the sugar dissolve nicely. Wait for it. Then there is a Kashmiri leaf powder. This is tea leaf powder, Kashmiri powder. I'm just adding after sugar. Now no sugar inside. Now color is changed. Almost all the spices are boiled nicely inside. I'm getting a nice smell. I'm adding this Kashmiri tea powder into it. Just 1 minute, just boil it. Then after that, before that, what you have to do is, this is garnishing part of it. Add the almond. Almond means badam. Okay, add the almond to the tea cups and keep it ready. Now the tea is ready. Transfer to the cup and sip it. This is a special tea. It gives them energy as well as make them always, because a very cold area that keeps them hot. This gives them a hotness whenever they want it, and straining it. See all this one. Okay. Now I'm sharing it with my friend here. Okay. Now beautiful looking kava is ready. Kava is nothing but a hot tea of Kashmiri. Now we are going to taste it. Okay. We are going to enjoy it. You also make and enjoy at home. Bye. Stay safe.
That summing up, I want to tell you, every house uses different materials according to the climate, place and what they live. Okay. Then your house can be small or big. It should be adapt to the particular climatic conditions. Third, the materials used are strong or even not strong, but they see that they make it strong with a lot of additional things. Every house will be happy when the people are happy inside. That house will become a home. I bless all your houses will become a home, and stay safe.